that haloalkanes and haloarenes are present in environment? Haloarenes were used as herbicides during Vietnam War for defoliating the jungles and making it easier to fight in the war. These haloarenes cannot be decomposed and broken down by microorganisms like bacteria, as a result of which it is still intact in the soils of the jungle. In this video, we will discuss important reactions shown by haloarenes. Haloarenes undergo the usual electrophilic reactions of the benzene ring such as halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reactions. The electrons of the halogen atom are delocalized in the benzene ring, making the ortho and para positions of the ring electron-rich than the meta position. Further, due to the negative eye effect, the halogen atom tends to withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. As a result, the ring gets somewhat deactivated and the electrophilic substitution reactions in haloarenes occur slowly and require more drastic conditions than those in benzene. For example, halogenation occurs when haloarene reacts with chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid, that is ferric chloride. Here, the chlorine molecule acts as an electrophile and will attack electron-rich ortho and para positions. However, para isomer will be the major product and orthoisomer will be the minor product of the reaction. Whereas in nitration of haloarenes, the reaction between nitric acid and sulfuric acid result in the formation of NO2 plus electrophile. The reaction results in the formation of both ortho and para compounds. However, para isomer will be the major product and orthoisomer will be the minor product of the reaction. Furthermore, in sulfonation, SO3 acts as the electrophile. The electron-rich haloarene attacks it at ortho and para positions, which result in the formation of para and ortho chlorobenzene sulfonic acids. In this reaction also, para isomer forms the major product and orthoisomer forms the minor product. On the other hand, Friedel-Crafts reaction are of two types. One is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and the other is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here, the alkyl group and the acyl group act as the electrophile and is attacked by the ortho and para positions of the haloarene. However, para isomer will be the major product in both the cases and orthoisomer will be the minor product. Haloarenes also undergo few reactions with metals. For example, a mixture of an alkyl halide and aryl halide gives an alkyl arene when treated with sodium in dry ether and is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Aryl halides also give analogous compounds when treated with sodium in dry ether, in which two aryl groups are joined together. It is called Fittig reaction. Now we have come to the end of this topic. Now let me ask you a question. Chlorine is an electron withdrawing group, yet it is ortho-para directing in electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Why? Well, try to figure out. Now let us summarize what we have learnt.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.